Hey guys, welcome back to Field Trips Panama. Welcome back to Los Buzos Resort. We got a new group of clients here. We are going to be heading out, mothershipping these guys and their kayaks to a pretty epic spot called Punta Blanca, about a 20-minute ride down the coast. They're going to be kayak fishing for giant fish. I'm going to be in the panga, helping catch big live baits for them to drag behind their kayaks. Hopefully help catch some dinner too. We'll see what happens. Weather's looking beautiful, the seas are calm, the swell is small. We'll see if that holds, but either way, we're gonna fish through it and we're gonna have a good time. So I'll see you guys on the water. We're gonna start off trying to catch some baits.
¡Ay, sí! ¿Lo viste? ¡Oh! ¡Se pique! Un jack. Jack just bum rushed this thing right at the boat and hit it. Didn't hook up somehow. Loco.
I don't know if you guys can see it with the glare. I can see it with my Waterland Coast sunglasses on, but there's a huge ball of fish up here. Looks like maybe they're spawning. I think they're jacks. Maybe jack crevalles. Look at that. Sí, son jacks, no? No, son tan grande. For sure, they're just swimming in a tight circle. Wild looking. I don't think it's showing up that good on the camera, but take my word for it. There's like 50 big fish here swimming in a circle.
There you go. Yeah, it's yours if you want it. If you want to, get your hook ready. No, come get it. I got nothing to do with it. Oh, it is a bonita. This one is a bonita. You want it? You want a bonita? It's a sailfish bait or a grouper bait if it gets down deep enough.
1 foot forward.
You want to? Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. I'll get it. I need your hook quick, so you want to toss it to me? With this guy, you got to keep moving. Keep it moving. Yeah, just a good to let out a good amount of line. It won't go in the rocks or anything. Just head out to the point right now and have a sailfish first thing this morning. Fish out. Might have a bait. We got. It's un jack y otro jack. There's another jack behind it. Los dos. 2 jacks. Might be a little too big, man. It's a jack. I mean, you can put it on for bait, but you're fishing for a monster. ¿Qué crees? Carnada tan grande. Muy grande, ¿no? Oh, jacker of all. Want it for bait or no? It's on the bigger side, but a big rooster would eat it. Hey, better than nothing right now. Yeah. This is a good bait, bro. I would fish this all day if it were me. So if that gets hit, give it 20 seconds, brother. It's gonna be a big ass rooster when it gets hit. All right?
Sure, appreciate it, brother.
Yeah, of course. And you don't have to go fast with him. You can do whatever you want. But as light as drag as he'll let you get away with. And then 20 seconds, okay? We've caught monster roosters on stuff like that. Repeat that. Roger, I see him. Él tiene el amarillo.
Yeah, baby, we're home. We are home.
Los vaqueros del mar. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. We got Mark Canaletas here, a fellow YouTuber. He's a guide, has a bait shop down in South Texas. He's been waiting for his rooster fish. He's hooked on the live bait. Real. There you go. There you go. Oh, hang on. Just careful of that camera boom too. You know? Yeah. We got some wind out here. It's pretty choppy. He's fighting this fish in not the easiest conditions. He's doing a great job. This guy's an experienced angler, just a little new to kayak fishing, but killing it, bro. I don't know what that's gonna be. Woo! Yeah. Put 1 foot forward once it starts getting close, like now. 1 foot forward, 1 foot forward. Yeah. I see it.
Where? Oh.
Grouper, bro!
Oh, grouper!
Yeah! There it is! Broomtail grouper! Gap in the head, man! Yeah, bro! There it is!
Yeah.
You're gonna have to hit it real hard. That's a nice broomtail grouper, bro. It's not hooked that great. There you go. There you go. Yeah, man! Woo! That's dinner there, boy! Oh, beauty! Careful grabbing it anywhere, man. He's got sharp things everywhere. Look at that! Yeah! Sick fish, dude! Giant! Mark Canaletas, mira!
LCD 956, baby.
LCD 956. Look this guy up on YouTube. Check out his tackle shop in Lake Mathis, Texas.
McAllen, Texas, baby.
McAllen, Texas.
Woo!
This guy does it all. Sick. Yeah, buddy. Oh, it's so pretty too. All lit up. Yeah.
Woo!
Dude. Amigo. Amigo. That's what we needed too for dinner. Delicious. Delicious fish. Can't win on me. Amigo. They're so pretty. Qué lindas son, no? I got great photos too. Got your thumbnail, bro.
Yeah.
Sick. So sick. You want to get 1 foot forward. Yeah. Watch out. Don't let that line go in there inside your paddle. There you go. Oh, yeah. That's a grown-up one.
What?
Hang tight. Nah, just leave it where it is.
Yeah, we can do this.
Yeah, buddy. That's a good fish. That's Mike, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Just keep it tight. Only way you can lose it now is by slacking that line. So reel when it slacks up. It's coming up. Reel, 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 reel. It's not the time to, you know, give it. I know it. Give it your all right now, though. Okay, now you let him go. Now you let him go. That's a monster something, buddy.
Let him go?
Well, while he's going, let him go, and then as soon as he slacks, you got to reel fast. Yeah.
But I got the drag set right.
Don't touch the drag. Yep. It should be. Yeah. Reel, 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 reel. Reel, reel, reel. Reel, 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 reel. He's coming up. Reel, 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 reel. Yeah, I know. Just come on. This is the moment to just give it your all. Okay, now let him go.
Tight now.
Now let him go. Yep. That's when you just let him run and hang on. And as soon as he starts slacking, you start reeling again. You're doing great. Out here battling the wind. Reel, 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 reel. Faster. Reel, reel, reel. Yeah, yeah. I know. Just come on. He's coming up now. Don't lose him now. Mike's on something big. There it goes again. We ain't crappie fishing, buddy.
Holy shit.
We ain't crappie fishing. Careful. Careful. You don't. Just make sure that line doesn't grab anything. There you go. There you go. Now reel, 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 reel. Ah, amigo grande. Algo grande. Doing perfect. Yep. There he goes again.
Like his boat.
Yeah. Yeah. That's a big fish, Mike. Stick with it. I know you're tired, but this is the moment to just forget that. You can rest after. Looks like it's coming up pretty close. Keep 1 foot forward. Watch that line of that handle. Get that line up the handle. There you go.
That one yesterday got caught on my goddamn paddle.
Yeah, just focus. All right, he's up. It's a rooster. Rooster. All right, you want me to help you lay it or you want to grab it? All right. Be really careful. You're grabbing in that gill plate. Remember yesterday? Remember yesterday?
Yeah.
I wouldn't grab it by the line. I'd try to grab in that gill plate right now, right now. Reach in there, sling him up, and hold on tight. You got him. Sling him up. Yeah, buddy. Yee-oo! There it is. Incredible job, man.
All right, so I get him off, guys. I don't want to kill him.
It's all right. It's all right, dude. That's sick. Get you a picture. All right, hold him up a little bit so we can see him all the way. Just hang on tight. He may freak out again. All right, ready? Smile, smile for me, son. Sick, man. Okay. Now we'll take care of him. Don't worry.
What do you reckon this guy weighs?
28 pounds.
What do you want me to do, Hoss?
Something like that. If you want, I can revive him for you.
I would like for you to take care of him.
All right.
Kill him.
All right.
Let me know when to let go. Got it. Well, hey, hooked good, didn't he?
Yeah, he did. Okay.
All right, man.
He's
Cool.
free. I'm gonna revive him. All right.
All right.
He's gonna be fine. He's fighting me good. All right, you pedal away for me. Yeah. Beautiful fish, bro. Look at that thing. Look at that.
All right, I'm happy with
Wee-oo. There's Gallo, another one. Ah, yeah. Para. Aquí está bien. Yeah. Swim away strong. Mike just landed a beautiful rooster fish. Just swam off strong. Great job, Mike. Congrats. Let's see the agua. Ahí está. Los dos amarillos aquí se vienen. Yeah, come over here, bud. Nathan, pedal over to him. Looks like Ilya's hooked up on the rocks. Uh-huh. There's something on. Lo veo. Sierra. Yeah, mackerel. That's the shimmy. Cut his gills, throw him in the cooler. On our way, bud, on our way. That Mike again? Mike hooked up again on the live bait. Already got his rooster. He ain't done. Might be looking at number 2 the way it's pulling him. Just watch these waves, be mindful. Got some wind out here, some chop. Mike here, new to offshore kayak fishing for sure. Handling it like a champ. On his second big fish of the day right now. Keep going, reel, reel. Oh man, it happens, man. These fish are not easy. Now look, it just pulled it out. There you go.
I don't know what it is.
That's a jacker ball, a nice one. Yeah, hold on tight. Great job, man. Strong fish. Yeah. There you go.
Not bad.
Not bad at all. All right, brother. You can just send him back in. We'll let him go. Nice, man.
Okay, now I need some bait. You guys got any?
And no, but I think they're on their way back here soon. Just watch that hook. It's down there. Sí, vamos. Oh, it's a rooster!
Nice, dude. Nice. You probably yanked that right in the boat.
Yeah, buddy! There it is. Yeah! Congrats, man. And there's another one. Oh. Look at them both. Amazing.
Fish on, baby. Fish on, yellow kayak, black shirt, a little bit offshore of the point.
We hear you, we're coming.
Woo, baby. Yeah.
Yeah! Be careful, he's gonna run again. Alright, Mark here, already got his broomtail. He's got a rooster up at the surface, or was. He's working on it. Just pull that rod tip forward and keep 1 foot forward when it's close, okay? You got him. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You're having a day now, bro. Oh, careful, pull it back to the front. Pull that rod tip back to the front, There you go. You don't want that thing off to the side, not today, not in this condition. Perfect, yep, reel. Don't slack it, Mike just lost one slacking it. Reel. Woo! Woo! You got it. Don't let it slack. I like to hold the reel a little up higher. Might help you. Yeah, exactly. Just be careful when he comes up. He may not be done. There it is. Careful, be ready. Yeah, he ain't done. He ain't done. Nice. Woo! Just take your time. Don't let that line slack. It's the main thing. Reel. He's down there. 1 foot forward. Yeah. Oh. You want help landing him or you got it?
I think I got it.
All right, you're gonna grab that gill plate. Just be very careful for the red part of his gills. You grab his gill plate by his mouth. Worst case, you can grab in his mouth, man. It's just like rough sandpaper. He won't get you. You got him? Yeah, buddy. Ahí está. Mark on the letter. Woo! Already got his broomtail grouper. Now he's got the rooster fish. What a day, buddy. What a day. Nice. Awesome work, man. Congrats. Amazing, bro. Oh, yeah. Perfecto. You want to try lifting him up over? Yeah. Ahí está. Woo. Sick. All right. Yeah. The best thing you can do is, like, when you're ready, hold her head under it and try to shove her straight down. She should go. Yeah, just grab that tail up and you're gonna have to shove her down. Yeah, hey, I'm probably gonna revive her, okay? Just to make sure she's good.
Over here by Tanka. Drop it.
Oh, ¿y se fue? ¿Y se fue? Amigo, congrats, bro. Broomtail and a rooster on the same day. That's a hell of a day there. Nice, buddy. I think they got one or two more baits. Where? The other panga. You can talk to him in Spanish. Bark wasn't done after his broomtail. Just caught himself and released a beautiful rooster fish.
Alright guys, what a day, what a day. Roosters. Kubera's giant broomtail grouper from Mark. Gonna let us, the YouTuber. It's a nice fish, you guys. One of the best feeding fish out here. Groupers, just one of the best eating fish families on the planet. This guy's gonna be delicious. Such a treat when these guys come up. And we needed this for dinner. It's perfect time. It's not Dakota Dunmeyer here, the head guy of Los Buzos, gonna fillet this guy up. I got this broomtail. That's why they call it that. These little frillies, little flanges on the end of the tail. That's definitely not the right word. That's dinner. This is not the other white meat. This is the white meat.
The white meat.
This is the white meat.
There's broomtail and everything else.
There's broomtail.
Carnita blanca.
Wow, man.
Come on, dude.
You're pretty much fluent.
Yeah. Yo, I'm gonna go shower up and then run down to that store. I got the razzle in the room. All right.
Got you some boots, bro. Some broomtail leather boots.
It's good for broomtail boots. Take it.
White, beautiful meat. Golly, this stuff's gonna be good. Probably my favorite fish to eat here. Oh yeah. Ooh-wee. That's a beautiful hunk of meat right there. And I ain't talking about Dakota. Talking about the grouper. Yep. We are now selling Los Buzos grouper boots. Anyone that's in the market. They're waterproof. Oh yeah.
Doesn't get any better than that.
Doesn't get any fresher, I'll tell you that much.
Any more lobs?
Guys, who wants? Yeah, hay más limones.
We'll do it.
Arriba, abajo, al centro.
That was a demonstration. Now it's follow the leader. Yeah.
Cheers, you guys. Congrats. Great week already. We got more to fish. Salud.
Come on, do it, do it.
Arriba, abajo, al centro.
You guys are lazy.
I already forgot. We got ceviche ready. Look at this.
every single night here at Los Buzos. We got sashimi and ceviche appetizers. It's always a little different, but it's always delicious. It's about to go out to the clients. Shoo-wee! Que rico será, huh? See? All right, guys, broomtail grouper for dinner tonight. My favorite eating fish out here, my favorite eating fish that swims in the Pacific Ocean. This is gonna be so good. The cleanest, whitest, most delicious meat you're ever gonna taste in your whole life. But you can do what we're about to do with a lot of different fish. Real simple seasoning here, basically a little combination. It's got some salt, some pepper, some garlic, some citrus, a little bit of lemon, a little bit of lime, but not too much going on here. To me, if you got a good fish and you're just slathering it in all kinds of seasonings, you're doing it so wrong. Keep it simple. She's gonna flip these bad boys and season both sides. Jami here, it's the chef tonight here at Los Buzos. This is gonna be so good. Look at these chunks of fish, you guys. I cannot express how excited I am. This is the sauce we're using for this. This is melted butter, lime juice, and capers. This is the jam right here. This is something you can do on any fish, redfish, yellowtail, sheephead, walleye, any white meat fish. This is a killer little sauce right here. So basically she's gonna baste every one and she's gonna sear it super hot. Then before we put it in the oven, we're gonna just douse the rest of this stuff on there and let it just kind of cook into the juices. And you cannot go wrong with any white meat fish doing it this way. Time for this broomtail grouper to hit the flat top, to hit the searing station. Oh yeah. So what we're looking for here is super crispy on the outside, nice hot sear on both sides. We're gonna flip them halfway through. And then once we got that good sear on both sides, we're gonna throw them down in the salamander, or you could do it in the oven. And we're gonna finish them off, cook them through, but you want them just barely cooked through. Do not cook any white meat fish to death. You want it just barely cooked through. It's gonna be amazing. It already smells amazing. It's gonna be so good, you guys. I don't even know if they need to go down there, man. I don't think I need to go down there. So at this point, she's actually scrapping the salamander. These are cut a little thinner. We're gonna go ahead, she's gonna finish them off on the flat top, get a nice crispy edge on both sides. They're cooked through, we're changing the game here. Then she's gonna baste them with a little more of the butter and lime. And she's gonna spoon some capers on top, and that's gonna be it. Done deal. I appreciate that.
They're still passing it out. They're the first two that got it.
Broomtail grouper, you guys, the best eating fish out here, if you ask me. The best eating fish that swims. So good. Lemon, butter, caper, a little salt, pepper, garlic. Super simple. Lime juice. Phenomenal. I don't even have to, I'm acting like this is a taste test. I already tasted it. It's so good.
Texture, that shit's perfect.
You can't go wrong. This is so good. It nailed it. Man. Seriously, that's so good.
I'm not sure if y'all are concerned, but I don't have any problem cooking this every week. I mean, it's not a big deal for me. I'm glad.
Man, I wish I'd known. I'd have been out there catching them if I had known. Golly, that's
need y'all to do this like every group.
You want to come out and help us?
No.
Okay. Well,
that's why I'm asking y'all to do it.
Yeah.
Yep, space for
phenomenal. Man, that's good. All right, guys. Well, that's all the time I've got for you. That's all I've got this week. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Like always, if you want to come out here and do this with us, you can. Go to losbuzos.com or send an email to losbuzospanama@gmail.com. I've still got some spots open in my October trips coming up. Love to see you down here. Either way, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Please like, comment, subscribe if you feel like it. If not, I forgive you. But I hope to see you back next week.
We got more Field Trips Panama coming up. Such a good time. We're gonna enjoy the rest of this night. Ciao. Adios. Love you guys.